Your Alexander Mcqueen shades come in this matte black box. With your sunglasses, you get a card of authenticity, a note from the manufacturer, and a microfiber cloth to clean your glasses with. You also receive a hard clamshell case. And here's a detailed shot of the inside of the case. It's pretty standard. And here are the sunglasses. They are a pilot-style frame with a mirrored silver lens. What sets these guys apart are the enamel details. They really highlight that teardrop shape, and it definitely reminds me of Gothic architecture, which is very Alexander Mcqueen. The sides are metal with the same enamel detailing as the front. The lenses come in dark gray, and they are non-polarized. And lastly, we're going to go over the measurements. The lens width is 61 millimeters, the nose bridge is 13 millimeters, and then the temples measure out to 150 millimeters long. And this is what the glasses look like on.